What's up, guys? First part of the day right now is the morning. I can't get out of bed, it's tough. But I got so much to do. I gotta do stuff, put stuff in my car and whatnot, so I gotta flex my muscles a little bit and get on out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Let's get, whoa, got this the other day. And gotta grab this. Man, my day cannot start without an energy drink. Alright, let's get to it. Boom, here it is. Alright, let's open this up. Let's see what happens. Geez, they surround it with pillows. What the heck is this? Alright, so here it is. As you see, I went with H&R. Heck yeah, that's what I did. Cool, it's blue. Just like, I guess that's H&R's thing. That's what the color of my springs on my charger were, so it's actually pretty heavy. I can barely even... So yeah, my max bench press, it went up, as you can see in my comments the other day. So real talk, I've been working on my bench press, and it has gone up. Check it out. So he commented and said he put G2s on his Prius and he gained 7 horsepower. But me, on the other hand, I put them on my Scion TC and my bench press went up 35 pounds. So I guess H&R takes their sway bars more serious than their springs. I didn't get shit when I bought my springs. It says, "Dear H&R customer, you are our most valued customer because you've bought 2 items from us." That's basically what it says, long story short. Appreciate it, H&R. Good stuff, I like it. Sponsor me, thanks. Then it's pretty cool. They also gave me some stickers to put on my car. So they gave me this cool H&R one. I've got this American flag one. This is probably going to be the one that I go with. I think this is the most fitting for me. Pretty good looking sticker. It's going to fit my car pretty good. Alright, so terrible day out today. I mean, it is just awful. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this box. I'm going to use this quilt. I'm going to use this bar. Now I'm going to put that on my car. Alright. Got my car up, got my tools, got my bar, got my jacks, got everything. Everything I read says that you should definitely just jack it up, because that way, if you put it in the air, then you're not going to have any tension on the wheels or anything, so it's going to be tough to actually, like, go ahead, sway bar out. So, I jacked it up, and I'm going to see how it goes, so let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go into the car, boom, let's go. We're going to have to take this thing off. Look at it. Look at it! Allen wrenches, it looks like. So, let's go ahead and we're going to take those off. Might have to take this whole panel off, which is gonna be Phillips. Whoops, and maybe Allen wrenches. Alright, so I got the cover off super easy. Literally that many bolts right there. It's just Phillips heads. Comes right off. Anyway, so here's your sway bar. Boom, it's gonna go from there to there. I hope you can see it, because most times people put these videos up and it's awful. And it goes up there. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to unscrew that, and I'm gonna have to unscrew that. And I'm gonna have to do the same thing on the other side. Literally, right there, and boom. Then that boy goes on right there. So, super easy. Alright, so old bar is out. New bar is right there. Make sure you got the right tools. Make sure you got ratchets. Make sure you got big wrenches, not little ones. You gotta have massive ones when you do this. So, yeah, let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. Alright, it is now on. Everything's put up. Cool beans, awesome. Now that I'm all done, time for an overreacting video. I can't let you guys down. I gotta give you an overreacting video to what happened afterwards. So, boom. Okay, let's check it out. I just got done, and we're gonna go see. Okay, we're gonna go see how it handles now with the sway bar on. I hope I did it right. The hardest part, honestly, was putting the cover back on. My goodness, that was a pain in the ass. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see how it goes with the new H&R sway bar, and of course I can't let you guys down. I'm gonna overreact the best I can. Nice, I left my window down as it sits here in sprinkles. Awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and see how this bad boy goes. Hopefully there's no issues or anything. It's close. It was close to the control arms. I hope it's good. I'm freaking out a little bit. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Jeez, it's so good. I just rolled the opposite direction. I turned right and I turned left and my body turned left with it. That's crazy. That's wild. No, but in all seriousness, damn, this is the first time I've done a sway bar. It's pretty cool. It's tight. It's nice. The steering's cool. You like that sporty feel? My gosh. Damn, get yourself one of these. All right. Well, this is now one of my favorite things. It's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. I've only taken a couple turns so far, but my gosh, this thing's awesome. I'm not even overreacting. I forgot I was supposed to overreact. So let's go ahead and cut to that real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how good this is. Oh my goodness. Alright, nah, but seriously, it is pretty cool. I literally forgot to overreact. I was actually surprised by how different it is. It feels sporty and tight. Steering is actually pretty loose from the factory, I guess. This actually shows that, so it's pretty nice. If you haven't ever done a sway bar, I'd suggest doing it for 200 bucks. You can easily do it yourself. If someone like me can do it, I'm pretty sure anybody can do it. Alright, that does it for me. That ends it. I'm done. I'm finished. Subscribe. Remember, greatness takes vision. Put your mind to something. Put your mind to anything you want, and I promise you can make it happen. Greatness takes vision. Go be you. Go do you, and live the life you want to live. Hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you could. See you next time. Talk to you later. Peace.